Technology is the backbone of modern business, but when IT problems arise, they can bring everything to a halt. Downtime isn't just frustrating, it's expensive. Large companies can lose over $9,000 per minute during an outage, while small businesses face hundreds of dollars in losses for every minute of disruption. As Kevin O'Connell, COO at PCS Managed Services says, unresolved IT issues don't just slow you down. They expose your business to unnecessary risks. The key is prevention, not reaction. Common IT problems like slow systems, cybersecurity threats, and network failures can impact productivity and security. Sluggish computers and unexpected crashes delay projects. Cyber attacks threaten sensitive data and can lead to major financial losses. Unstable internet connections disrupt daily operations, making it harder for employees to collaborate and customers to reach you. Many businesses also struggle with software integration issues, limited IT support, and weak data backup strategies. These challenges don't just slow down operations, they create costly risks that could be avoided with the right solutions. By taking proactive steps like upgrading outdated hardware, training employees on cybersecurity, and implementing managed IT services, businesses can reduce downtime, improve efficiency, and protect their bottom line. To dive deeper into these solutions and learn how to safeguard your business from IT failures, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for more expert insights.